Alright, we'll go ahead and get started. This is an instructional video for the Dynagen RapidCore configuration software. I'll break this up into three different sections. The first being how to download and install the software and get it set up. And the second is opening the software and familiarizing yourself with the interface and what I'll call the offline features. And then the last section will be more of the online features and interfacing with a controller live. So we'll go ahead and get started. We'll open up a browser and search Dynagen TG410 software. We want to get to the website for the TG410, and this brings us to the Catron website and the main page for the TG410. There's a lot of extra information here, data sheets, wiring information, a bunch of different tabs here that can be explored, extra parts, but for our purposes we'll go to the resources tab, and here's where we can find the wiring configuration if needed, some extra user manuals. For what we'll need today though, we'll click on the RapidCore configuration software download link. We'll download that. Additionally, there is the latest firmware that is available that can also be downloaded. So we'll switch back to the downloads page and we'll go ahead, looks like it, and we'll find the executable to get it installed, and we will run that. It should install pretty quickly. Alright, setup is successful. We'll go ahead and launch this software.